Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to register a copyright online. Start by organizing your work files, choosing the correct category, and creating an account on the official registration portal. Gather identifying details like author name, creation date, and publication status. Decide whether to register a single work or a group of related works. Prepare payment and a clear uploaded copy in accepted formats, and follow the portal prompts to submit. Begin by signing into your account and selecting the appropriate registration type for your work. Carefully fill each field, double-checking names, dates, and contact information to avoid delays. Upload your digital deposit in the portal's accepted format and verify that the file opens correctly. Choose the single work or collection option as needed and provide any required publication details. Complete payment and confirm submission to receive a tracking number. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth as a light read on money mindset and practical saving tips that pair well with protecting creative value. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to learn more. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Expect different fee tiers depending on whether you file a single claim, multiple works, or special submissions, so select the correct option to avoid refile fees. After submission, you will receive a confirmation with a tracking number and pending status. Processing can take weeks to months, but timely electronic submission generally speeds the process. Keep copies of your uploaded deposit, confirmation emails, and payment receipt for future legal needs or disputes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.